bamboo charcoal and helps remove I'm talking like this because I can't move my face. Hi guys, this is me Swetha. Welcome back to my channel. I have another video for you guys. So this time I'm gonna show you how to do your facial at home. So I've been showing you guys some of the treatments that you can do at home. I showed you guys how to cut your own hair without going to the parlor. I actually made a video after that showing how to do your waxing at home. Now I'm gonna do at home facial video. So I was searching online for at home facial packs that is available. So I got this Pond's charcoal anti-pollution facial kit from Nykaa. I bought it from Nykaa. It's a home facial kit. So I thought I'll just try it out with you guys and let's see how this works. Alright, so talking about this facial kit, so this one, they have like two ranges. This one is charcoal anti-pollution facial kit. The other one was skin brightening facial kit. So I opted for this charcoal anti-pollution facial kit because you know that is what I always go for. So I want the skin to be like cleaned basically. So from the pollution and dust and everything that we go through on a daily basis. It contains of I think 1 2 3 4 5 6 products. So when you open this, the packaging is like this, as you can see. So when you open this box, you have like 6 products, 6 tubes inside this. As you can see, I'll show it to you one by one. 6 steps written here, like everything is written, so you just have to follow the instructions here. So the first one is face wash, then comes scrub, then comes nourishing cream, massage cream, peel off mask, and then finishing cream. So let's see, let's do it one by one. This is gonna be fun. So usually I do, today is a Sunday, so I thought like I'll do some self-care, skincare routine because I always do something like this during Sundays. I'm filming this on a Sunday. I might not be uploading this on a Sunday, but yeah. This is number 1 face wash. So let's see how when you open it, you have this tube. So I've rinsed my face and I'm gonna take the face wash a little bit. So as you see a lot of charcoal skincare thing online, it's like I've always wanted to try it by myself and see like if it's all worth the hype. Let's see how this is gonna be. It smells a bit like men's perfume. I don't know how to explain it. Like, yeah. It smells good. It's not like strong smell or anything, but yeah. Make sure you wash your neck as well. Whatever you do on your face, do it on your neck as well. I'll just wash it and come back. Okay. I washed my face. The first step was face wash, Pond's anti-pollution face wash with activated carbon. This formula removes impurities and pollution particles. So whatever pollution and dust that I had on my face might have been removed. This is like the step 1 is wet your face, create lather, gently massage onto face and neck, then rinse off. That's what we did right now. Okay, I forgot to read it to you guys before that, sorry. Step number 2 is scrub. Okay, scrub, Pond's pollution off scrub, enriched with walnut shell powder. It helps exfoliate dead cells and removes excess oils. I feel like I'm in a classroom and I'm giving lecture. I'm so sorry if this is boring you guys, but this is the step. That's why I'm reading it for you guys. If you buy this, you can just read it all over here. So what you have to do is apply the scrub all over your face, massage gently upwards and outwards circular movements for at least 5 to 7 minutes. Okay. So what you have to do is you have to massage like this upwards, not like down, because down already gravity is doing that. You have to pull it upwards. Okay. Number 2, scrub. Okay, this is white in color, not I expected, as it's charcoal I expected black color, but no, it's white in color. Upwards and outwards. Yeah, this is how you should massage your face. Okay, so the scrub usually it helps to remove blackheads or whiteheads or whatever dead skin that you have on your face. This is something we all know. I mean, why am I bouncing? I'm bouncing a lot, sorry. Okay. This you have to do for like 7 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna fast forward this. Okay, so the scrub is done. Now the one thing that I'm gonna do, which is not there in the step, is gonna use this cleanup tool just to remove my whiteheads. This is not mandatory, but then if you have like stubborn whiteheads or blackheads, you can do this. Get this tool on Amazon or wherever. If you have a beauty store nearby, they'll have it. So you know you have this stubborn whiteheads and everything around your nose, right? You can remove it like that. So you can actually to make this easier, you can actually take steam for like 5 minutes so that you know the whiteheads and everything comes out, and then you can do this. My god, my face looks red. Okay, so I'm kind of done. See, I have whiteheads. I don't know, I don't want to show it to you guys in close up, it's so gross. But then I got whiteheads, you know, when I did that. Number 3, nourishing cream. So this nourishing creme is with vitamin B3 and vitamin E. It hydrates your skin. So that's what they say. Apply the nourishing creme all over your face and neck. Massage gently with fingertips till it gets absorbed. I'm gonna take, oh, this is like it's like a gel consistency. Using it with my fingertips like how they said. Make sure you do it like how they said, because it's, you know, there is a reason why they write all this, right? Ah, it smells so good. Okay, I already feel so fresh, my god. So that's step number 3, and now step 4, massage cream. Oh, this is massage cream. The other one was nourishing creme. Okay, there is a difference. That is Pond's Deep Massage Cream with glycerin. It moisturizes your skin to give you a healthy glow. Okay, a bit yellow. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, let's see. Now, so what I'm gonna do is I have taken some water with ice in it. It's very optional. I always do it this way because you know that cold water will give you that very soothing feeling. So I saw this on some face yoga video on YouTube itself. So if you massage your skin like this, it's good for your skin. Okay, this already feels so good. My god, I feel like I'm in a salon right now. That I go here, no, my god, they do a very good job in doing the facial massaging and everything. It's so soothing, but the music they play, oh my god, in the background, you're like, you're stressed out because of the music. You're supposed to relax when you're in a salon, right? That doesn't happen. So if you're doing this at your house, your comfort place with your good music, it feels so good. Now that I'm done, they have told to wipe off it with wet cotton. So number 5, peel off mask. Enriched with bamboo charcoal and helps remove blackheads to brighten your skin. Okay, apply the mask in a thin even layer all over the face, neck, avoiding the eye area. Of course, we know that. Keep it for 15 to 20 minutes to let it dry. Peel off from the forehead in a downward direction. So yes, this is black. This is what I was waiting for. I'm so excited. Okay, now I look so scary, my god. Okay, now I have to wait for 15-20 minutes. I'll come back after that. Okay, we are done with the step 5. Now it's been like 20 minutes. I have to peel it off. I'm talking like this because I can't move my face. My skin is already glowing. See this? My god. Okay, I'll just wash and come. Okay, so we are done with that step. So the step number 6 is finishing creme. It helps protect from pollution and restore glow. So take the creme on your fingertips and gently apply it all over your face and neck. So that is the final step, that is step number 6. Okay, so we are done. That is the 6 steps of Pond's charcoal anti-pollution facial kit. I'm kind of liking it. It's you know, you have this facial experience inside your home in your comfort zone. And this is just, when I talk about the pricing and stuff, this is just 300 rupees. I think it was 299, basically 300 rupees when I bought it from Nykaa. So yeah, this is kind of good. The only thing that I felt is like it comes in these tubes, like small tubes. So everything, I think this can be used for like 3 times minimum. But the only problem is the face pack, the the face peel off mask was not enough. I think it's enough for like once, but I don't think I can use it one more time. But other than that, all the other products are reused. Like there's a lot of products left, but face pack, I feel like you can maximum use it for 2 times. That's it. So this one, yeah, it contains 6 products for 300 rupees. I totally recommend this. So I'm gonna link the product below in the description box. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and my skin feels really good. It feels fresh, and it's kinda, yeah, there is a little bit of glow here and there. Try it out. It's like it's very affordable, so there is no harm in trying it out. Try it out and let me know if you guys liked it. So yeah, now I'm gonna have my chai and enjoy the rest of the day. Have fun, you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, keep smiling, be happy. I love you guys.